Hello again, John here, and in this part of the video series, I'll basically be closing things off and taking a moment to recap what we've learned and go over some of the most important stuff. So first off, the most important thing, besides knowing how to get here, remember it's this little template section over here. The most important part is understanding that we're using a different mental model, a different mode of thought than what is typical. We're not writing pages, we're constructing pages using reusable blocks of code, which is what a template file is. A template file is a defined, reusable block of code, and we're combining them together in order to construct a page. Here's the graphic that I was referencing earlier, and I can include this crude graphic with the video pack as well. But a layout file is essentially a sort of foundation that page templates rest on. Page templates provide most of the structure, and then partials and embeds fill them out. So partials, embeds, they fill out fill out the content that isn't covered by the page template, and the page template rests on a layout file. And again, we only have one layout file here, which is layout master. Every page is using layout master as its layout file. And this file provides, sets up the head section of the website, sets up the nav bar, sets up some navigations, sets up parts of the website that every single page is reusing over and over again. Every page is using the same head section, right? So that's what layout master is doing. And finally, we have our different page templates. For instance, the page template, which is fetching a page and then rendering that page content. That's the first time I've used that term in the video series, rendering. We'll use constructing that page content using a combination of HTML and template language snippets. And these template language snippets, quick reminder, whenever we use these template language snippets, we're essentially replacing the template language parts with actual HTML. So it's basically sort of placeholder, really, placeholder that we slot in, that we kind of place in HTML from other templates. So this is our basic page template. And finally, we have partials. And we also have embeds too. I didn't really go over embeds at all, but that's not for any specific reason other than, they're essentially identical to partials, just a little bit different from a technical level. We went over partials, which are the simplest templates that we have. Here's another partial besides rich text, and as you can see, it's fairly small, only has 7 lines of code. And so we're constructing pages using template files with embeds and partials. By the way, if it isn't obvious by now, partials and embeds are probably the simplest template files we have. And probably where you're going to be doing a lot of the editing as well, if you need to be making any changes to the template files. So that's it in a nutshell. That's pretty much all I have to say for now. If you have any additional questions, or if you want me to put together more videos, I'd be happy to do so. But that's it. Again, really the most important part here is the mental model, the analogy. We're constructing pages using templates, using reusable blocks of code. We're not writing them. We are literally writing them, but the analogy helps to wrap your head around why templates matter. So that's it for now. Hopefully you'll be seeing more of me, as I put together more video series, or put together more videos, or answer any questions, or better yet, hopefully, maybe you won't see more of me because you've got this down, you understand it. And by the way, don't forget to watch don't forget to read the documentation. Either way, I'll be happy if you see me more often or don't see me more often. I'm going off on a tangent here. I should stop talking. Anyway, that's it for the video series. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope I've been entertaining, and I'll maybe see you again soon.